Your focus isn't broken. It's been stolen. Every day, thousands of companies fight for one thing more valuable than your money, your attention. And they've built machines specifically designed to take it from you, one scroll at a time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they do it, and how to take your focus back. You pick up your phone for just 1 minute. An hour disappears. You meant to reply to one message. Now you've watched 30 videos, opened 5 apps, and forgotten why you even unlocked the screen. It happens to students before exams. It happens to professionals mid-deadline. It even happens to people who used to have laser focus. So what changed? Did we get lazier? Did our brains get weaker? Or is something bigger happening, something most people never notice? Here's the truth, your inability to focus might not be your fault. Attention is the most profitable resource on earth right now. The longer you stare at a screen, the more money flows. So every notification, every autoplay, every recommended for you, it's engineered. Not to help you. To hook you. Think about your brain for a second. Thousands of years ago, noticing something new could save your life. A rustling bush. A strange sound. Curiosity kept your ancestors alive. That same survival wiring fires today, every few seconds. A buzz. A red notification dot. A breaking alert. A meme. A new video. Your ancient brain treats every single one like it matters. So it pays attention. Again. And again. And again. And slowly, it learns something dangerous, it starts expecting constant stimulation. Silence gets uncomfortable. A 20-minute read feels impossible. Studying feels exhausting. Working without checking your phone starts to feel unnatural. You think it's a discipline problem. It's not. What you actually lost is your tolerance for boredom. And boredom is where deep thinking is born. Every major invention. Every world-changing book. Every scientific breakthrough, none of them came from a distracted mind. They came from minds that could sit with one hard thought for hours. Now imagine trying that while something interrupts you every 8 seconds. Your brain never reaches deep focus. It just bounces, tiny reward to tiny reward, forever. Each jump feels harmless. But they add up. 1 notification today. 10 tomorrow. Thousands by next month. Until one day you sit down to do something that matters, and your mind won't stay still. Most people never notice this happening. They just think they got lazy. But psychology says something very different, and what it reveals about your brain might change how you see yourself completely.